Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download catalog from Syncee for Shopify syncing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Syncee website. Log into your Syncee account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Catalogs tab located in the main menu. Here, you will see a list of all your catalogs. Select the specific catalog you wish to download from the list. Click on the catalog name to open its details. In the Catalog Details page, look for the Download option. Select the format you prefer for the download, such as CSV or XML. Once you make your selection, click the Download button. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's download folder. Open Shopify in a new browser tab. Log into your Shopify account to prepare for the syncing process. In Shopify, navigate to the Products section. Click on Import to upload the downloaded catalog. Select the downloaded file from your computer. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. Review the imported products in your Shopify store for accuracy. That concludes the steps to download a catalog from Syncee for Shopify syncing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.